Okay, we're at Home Depot because we needed some smaller can lights. Nate got 6 inches and we want to go with the 4 because it looks a little bit better. So we got some 4-inch can lights to swap out, and we got our cadet heaters. We also got these really nice... You guys, can you shut? Shush. We also got these really nice thermostats, which are really cool. I'll show you. But yeah, family trip to Home Depot. Got spit up on my pants. Cheeto fingers.
Okay.
We ate a whole bag of Cheetos.
Healthy diet today. McDonald's and Cheetos.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Hi guys, we have a good channel. Also, we are almost going to Whidbey, but Heath is born now, and soon after this day, I'm gonna go to soccer.
No, 2 weeks.
Cheers.
2 weeks away.
That's what I do. It's what I live for. And I fortunately know a little magic.
This is what my friend does, Wesley.
Across the goals.
So it's day 3 of going out to Whidbey for the electrical, at least for me and June and Bubby Heath. We are taking all these can lights out there and our heaters and our vent lights. Okay, he's hungry. I need to feed him. Give me a rock on. Nice, June. We made it to the cabin. The ferry was delayed for like an hour and a half, but we made it. We had fun, didn't we, June? Heath was good. We held him and played with him, and he was adorable. So now we're here.
We saw a puppy at the ferry, on the ferry.
We saw a puppy. So now we're here to deliver these cans and vents and everything to Nate. Look at this. My car is filled. It'll be so nice to get him out of here because the back's filled too. It's sketchy driving around with all this stuff in your car. If we were to get in a car accident, this stuff will go flying everywhere. So I'm excited to get it out. Friend and electrician Nate.
Hello.
Hello, all you fine folks out there.
Yeah.
This is some. Hey, you watch it, Missy.
So today I'm headed out to the property. Our electrician friend Nate is out there working. I bet he's probably 75% done wiring the house and the shop, but I guess we'll see. We got a bunch of wire, tons of stuff in the back for him. Service wire from the main panel to the separate sub panels in the shop in the cabin, and then a bunch of other stuff too. So we're gonna drop off material. He's gonna keep working on electrical. Hopefully get our rough-in inspection in the next week or so. He's working on that, and then Joe, our neighbor, who was helping us paint, we're gonna wrap up and finish. We still gotta do second coat on a few walls. We ran out of paint last weekend. So we're gonna finish that up. We got gutters coming next week. So I have to caulk and paint all the fascia that the gutters are gonna hang